as a move by the government of Kenya to stop every aspect that motivate demonstrations in the country. For now, we are receiving news after the arrest of Raila Odinga's bodyguard, Maurice Onyango. They have gone ahead to arrest Raila's spokesperson. Raila Odinga spokesperson Onyango has been arrested. The Azimio la Umoja leader Raila Odinga spokesperson Onyango has allegedly been arrested. ODM Director of Communication Philip Wetale has communicated. However, police said they raided the home but did not find the ODM leader. According to Wetale, Onyango was almost raided by suspected men to be the police on Wednesday and drove away with him. The ODM official said Onyango's son said the men came with 2 Subarus, which they used to whisk him away in. Police of a few minutes ago raided the house of Raila Odinga spokesperson. This is the statement that was given. Our effort to reach Onyango did not bear fruit, as his phone was switched off. He becomes the second of Raila's aides to be arrested after the former Prime Minister's bodyguard Maurice Onyango. Onyango was taken by plainclothes officers while he drove to work on Wednesday morning before they drove him to an unknown destination. His whereabouts remain unknown until now. An official had earlier communicated and confirmed to the Star that Onyango was among those targeted for arrest and detention. He had been trained to his house in Langata. The official added, the arrest come even as some Azimio leaders are reported to have gone into hiding over fears of arrest. The leaders went into hiding on Tuesday evening, and up to Wednesday they were still missing from their usual residences. This followed reports that a number of the leaders, including Embakasi East Member of Parliament Babu Owino, have been detained. Owino was detained at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport on his arrival from Mombasa. About 6 other members of the County Assembly and pockets of activists, including one Calvin Okoth alias Gaucho, were also detained yesterday night. This is FM African Documentary Updates.